Adding a contact page to your course. As part of Stage 2, you are expected to use the Page module to create a teacher contact page for your students. These pages are web pages and are created using the HTML toolbar text editor. Composing a contact page. Here's how we do it. First, I'll click on the Turn Editing On button. Then I'll scroll down and click the Add an Activity or Resource link in the appropriate topic. Next, I'll find and select Page in the Activities tab. First, I'll enter a descriptive page name. Then I'll type a page description. Finally, scroll down to the Contents section and enter names, email addresses, phones, phone extensions, and any other information that you feel comfortable sharing. There are a number of tools in the text editor that can make your text look more presentable. First, I'll click on this button to show more choices. On this page, I've inserted an image of all the editing features that you can use. Finally, I'll scroll down to the Appearance section and choose to display the name and the page description to students. And I'll finish up by clicking on the Save and Return to Course button. Here is the contact page we created. We can use this Move button to move it up into a more prominent place. I'll click on the Turn Editing Off button. The link to the contact page appears like this.